This is a big box. Yeah, I know. Hey everybody, I literally just came home from work and this was on my doorstep. This is something very special, even if it's not probably gonna run for this video for a reason that I might show you. I'm still happy to have this thing. Alright. This is an engine I've been after for a long time. It's pretty rare. So yeah, let's see if I can open this. This is gonna be hard. Yeah. Okay. Go. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So there's a piece of paper in here and we'll get that out really quick. Alright, got the paper out. It shows the address. Okay, there's 2 boxes in here. Huh, okay. It's, okay. I guess these are for, protecting the model. They are very light. Oh, here it is. Alright, get that out of the way. Whoops. Peanuts. Haha. These peanuts out of the way. Alright. Yes. You all know what it is. Rivarossi. Let me get some scissors. See if I can cut this plastic. If they're sharp enough. Don't think they are. Alrighty. Sorry for knocking the camera. Alrighty. Well, by looking at the box, to you it's nothing, but to me, ooh, hello there. Now let's see. Oh my god. There she is. Let's take her out of the box. Wow. Yo. Yeah, that's what I mean. It probably won't run because it's missing a drawbar, but hey, to be honest, I know this might sound, I don't know what you say, annoying maybe, but I don't mind that. I really don't mind that at all. I mean, I know it won't run without it, but hey, you know, this thing is so hard to get now, and yeah, it's just, God, it's beautiful. This is the F7 Hiawatha. It's not the Atlantic type, unfortunately. Although I wish I had that one, but that thing is impossible to get. But yeah, this thing is just, wow. It's such a beauty. Okay, now let's get the tender out. Wow. Really, really nice engine. Really nice tender. Man. Wow. I can't believe I have a Rivarossi Hiawatha. Well, the Hudson type Hiawatha. I do believe this is a bit easier to get than the Atlantic type. The Atlantic type, unfortunately, is impossible to get. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to have that one anytime soon, even though it's the locomotive of my dreams. But I can only keep dreaming. Right. So yeah, like I said, you probably won't be able to see it run for this video because it's missing a drawbar. But hopefully I'll get one for it soon. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see it's broken right there. He didn't mention that. Yeah. But like I said, I don't mind it. Hopefully I'll get a drawbar for this engine very soon. So yeah. Well, at least I can put it on track and we'll see if it at least moves, maybe. Or maybe what I'll do, I'll probably take the body off and then I'll probably show you guys that the motor is at least working. So yeah. Alright, even though it's probably a bit of a waste of time, but we'll do it anyway. We'll just at least see if this engine does sort of run. Alright. I know it's not gonna move, but hey, you know. Let's see. I figured. Okay, yep. I knew it was a waste of time. Alright. Well, we'll see if I can get the body off anyway. Alright, sorry if you can't see very much, but I did put the wires on the motor, or wires in the motor, or whatever you call them, and it does work. There you go. So yeah. I know it's just a really short unboxing, but hey, at least this thing does work fine. It just needs a new drawbar for electrical connection, so hopefully I will be able to get one soon. In all honesty, this engine is in fabulous condition. It's just missing a drawbar. It's just all it needs. It's not really a big deal, even though I do have a couple friends that'll help me out, so I'm hoping that they will help me out to get a new drawbar for this locomotive. So yeah, I'm sorry if it was a short unboxing. At least you get to see it move. You know, it's better than nothing, right? Anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I most certainly did. I'm not gonna send this thing back, even though he does accept returns. I mean, I am not sending this back because this thing is just so freaking hard to find for a good enough price. Excuse me, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.